Top 5 Cordless Drill.
Top 1.
DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Drill Combo Kit. Brushless motor of cordless drill combo kit delivers up to 57% more runtime over brushed. XR lithium-ion batteries with fuel gauge in cordless tools combo kit provide 33% more capacity over standard packs. DCD79120V Max *1/2" drill/driver in the drill/impact driver combo kit has a compact, 6.9" front to back, and lightweight, 3.4 pounds, designed to fit into tight areas. DCF88720V Max *1/4" impact driver has a compact, 5.3" front to back, designed to fit into tight areas. DCD791 features a 3-mode LED with 20-minute trigger release delay in spotlight mode, providing increased visibility in dark or confined spaces. DCF887 features 3 LEDs embedded in front of tool with 20-second trigger release delay providing increased visibility in dark or confined spaces.
Top 2.
BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill/Driver. Cordless drill with lithium-ion battery that is always ready and holds a charge up to 18 months. The 24-position clutch of this power drill prevents stripping and overdriving screws by providing extra level of control. Drill/driver with soft grip handle provides added comfort during use.
Top 3.
DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill. DEWALT drill has compact and lightweight design that fits into tight areas. High-performance motor of the power drill delivers 300 unit watts-out (UWO) of power ability, completing a wide range of applications. High-speed transmission of DEWALT 20V drill delivers 2 speeds, 0 to 450 and 1500 RPM, for a range of fastening and drilling applications. 1/2" single sleeve ratcheting chuck provides tight bit gripping strength.
Top 4.
BLACK+DECKER 8V Max Cordless Drill/Driver. Ultra lightweight cordless drill, compact household drill/driver for a variety of drilling and screw driving applications with an 8V 400 RPM motor. Household and DIY, no fuss operation, ideal for household use. Change bits easily, keyless chuck for changing bits quickly. Better control, mid-handle design for easy control and balance.
Top 5.
Cordless drill with 20V drill driver 2x2000 mAh batteries. 2 PCS 20V 2000 mAh large capacity lithium-ion batteries with power indicator. Rubber over mold handle with ergonomic design offers maximum user comfort and less vibration. Trigger activated LED light illuminates your work area. All metal gears and 1/2 keyless ratcheting chuck provide maximum durability and great accessory compatibility. F/R button and variable speed trigger are available for drilling and fastening.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.